15a. Explain 6 measures that may be put in place to ensure the safety of records in the registry. 12 marks. Proper storage solutions to protect from environmental damage. Use of locking mechanisms on storage units to prevent unauthorized access. Regular backup of electronic records. Use of fireproof and waterproof safes or cabinets for vital records. Regular fumigation to protect against pests. Installation of security systems like alarms or cameras to prevent theft or vandalism. B. Describe 4 finding aids that may be used in the retrieval of records in a registry. 8 marks. Indexing systems to catalog the records. Electronic databases to track and retrieve digital records. Labeling systems to identify the contents of documents. Cross-referencing systems which link related documents together for easier retrieval. 16a. Explain 5 roles a registry clerk may perform in updating a file classification scheme. 10 marks. Review and evaluate the current file classification scheme. Update the scheme to reflect changes in the organization's operations or structure. Implement new classification standards or systems as necessary. Train other staff members on the updated file classification scheme. Maintain and monitor the updated scheme to ensure its effective functioning. B. Explain 5 ways in which circulars issued by the government may assist in the disposal of records. 10 marks. Regulations outlined in the circulars provide guidelines for how and when to dispose of records. The circulars can alert registries to changes in disposal procedures. Circulars may provide instructions on the disposal of specific types of records. They provide standards to follow to ensure law compliance. Government circulars provide reasoning behind why certain records may need to be disposed of, aiding in the understanding of the process. Proficiency Examination for Clerical Officers. August 2014. Paper Code 704. Records Management. Date Thursday, August 21, 2014. Time 2:00 p.m. to 4:00 p.m. 2 hours. 1. List 3 stages in the life cycle of a record. The creation or receipt of the record. The use and maintenance of the record. The disposal or preservation of the record. 2. State 4 duties carried out by a mail office clerk when handling outgoing mail. Sorting and categorizing the outgoing mail according to their destinations. Addressing or labeling the mail accurately to avoid misdelivery. Packaging or enclosing the outgoing mail securely to prevent damage or loss. Ensuring timely dispatch of the outgoing mail to meet delivery deadlines. 3. State 4 reasons for folio numbering all filed correspondence. To enhance the ease of referencing and retrieval of documents for use. To establish control and organization in the filing system. To track the volume and sequence of correspondence in a file. 4. State 4 advantages of using a filing cabinet for storage of records. Ensures safety and security of records from damage or unauthorized access. Allows efficient organization and ease of accessing the stored records. Maximizes space utilization by storing numerous records in one place. Allows for privacy and confidentiality of sensitive records. 5. State 3 reasons that would warrant removal of a file from the registry by a clerical officer. The need for the file in an ongoing operation or process. To correct a filing error that led to the misplacement of the file. The decision to archive or dispose the file due to its age or redundancy. 6. State 4 advantages of using lamination as a method to protect records. Protects records from physical damage like tearing and stains. Enhances the durability of records in long-term storage. Prevents fading of information due to exposure. Keeps the records clean and presentable.